So far, self-monitoring has been limited to temperature tracking. Our new clinical device brings at-home checkups into a new era. Introducing BeamO. We call it a Multiscope, the first of its kind. It redefines what is possible, enabling you to observe your heart and lung health. With 4 cutting-edge sensors encapsulated in a powerful device, a complete health checkup now fits in your hand. Through your fingers, a medical-grade electrocardiogram detects irregularities in your heartbeat. Simultaneously, the oximeter quantifies your blood oxygen level, helping you assess part of your respiratory system. With its integrated digital stethoscope, BeamO enables you to listen to your heart and lungs. Our most precise thermometer to date delivers fast and contactless results. With its refined sensors, BeamO automatically pinpoints your temporal artery, a remarkably efficient spot to measure body temperature. Your measurements are automatically synced to the Withings app, and in one tap, you can share them with your doctor. BeamO sets a new standard for augmented televisits, enabling practitioners to get precise data and real-time measurements. Be part of the at-home checkup revolution. BeamO.